love being around birds? Does studying their evolution, anatomy, statistical trends, and structure of the habitats interest you? What if I told you that you can actually do all of this and get paid for it? Wouldn't that just be amazing? Well, guess what? That is actually true. I have just the perfect career for you. An ornithologist is someone who does exactly all this and can earn as much as 20 lakhs per annum. Interesting, isn't it? Then keep watching this video and know every aspect of a career as an ornithologist. First up, let's talk about what would you have to do in your job as an ornithologist. One thing that is assured is that you would receive a high level of satisfaction in your career due to the variety of work. Your responsibilities at work would vary depending upon the focus of the study. You would find yourself conducting research, working alongside other biological technicians or scientists, submitting proposals, gaining funding for research projects, and recording data gathering through research. There are no specific job roles for an ornithologist. They can choose to work for different profiles. Some of the roles that you would find yourself working as include bird biologist, ecologist, nature educator, bird geneticist, bird conservationist, and many more. The training to become an ornithologist involves getting a bachelor's degree in biology, zoology, animal science, or any relevant subject. Then, you will have to pursue a master's degree in the same subject. If you wish to work as a scientist or researcher, you will have to get a PhD as well. After this, undertaking internships and research fellowships would help you gain some professional experience. Once you have completed your education, you can begin finding work in the forest department, wildlife centers, sanctuaries, or NGOs. Some of the top companies or agencies that hire ornithologists are Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Bird Conservation Society, Plant and Animals Welfare Society, and Wildlife Institute of India. The pay scale of an ornithologist varies according to the job role that they choose. In India, you would be able to earn anywhere from 1.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. If you get to work in foreign countries like the US, you can end up earning as much as 20 lakhs per annum. So, if after getting all this information, you are sure about becoming an ornithologist, then pull up your socks and begin your journey now. If you want to know more about it, leave a comment below. Do not forget to visit our official website www.collegedekho.com. Good luck!
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.